Now in order to make the dog nose, you're going to take your cream colored yarn, make a slip knot. Now we're going to make a magic ring. And now we're going to place 6 single crochets into the center of the magic ring for row 1. Alright, so now that we've completed row 1, we are going to increase all the way around for row 2. So now that we've finished row 2, we're just going to pull this tail as tightly as we can to create the shape of the dog's nose. So just pull that as tight as you can, and then you're just going to slip stitch into the final stitch, pull that out, pull out a long tail for sewing, and then you'll snip off the excess here. And now I will show you how to sew on the nose and the mouth. Alright, so you're going to grab the black yarn that came in your kit and your embroidery needle, thread that through, and then we are just going to sew back and forth across the front of the nose to create that little dog nose shape. Once you're done sewing on the nose and mouth, this is what it should look like.